Top tricks to make your affiliate income skyrocket. If you are feeling like you want to start making extra money and start producing a source of income for yourself, then affiliate marketing is what you want to get into. This video can help you get started with getting into affiliate marketing, as it has plenty of tips you can use towards success. To make sure you are paid for every sale that you make, ask about how the affiliate marketing program you join is going to keep track of your work. Make sure the program you join tracks where the visitor that bought something came from through cookies, and that they count mail or phone orders as well as online ones. When you're leading with an advertisement as an affiliate, it's always a good idea to make a strong recommendation for one and only one product. You do not want to pitch the product to sell. You're not in the business of used cars here. Instead, recommend it by extolling the virtues of the product. Although it's a bad idea for an affiliate to act as if they're totally in love with a product, since it turns the potential customer off, it is still wise to link to the company's pre-sale product pitch. As long as you have read the pitch and find it to be tasteful, authoritative and relevant, you should send your traffic there. Save your business for reputable, generous affiliate companies. The commission a company pays should be at least 20% of each sale you generate. Stay away from companies that offer less. High-quality affiliate companies will respect your efforts and offer you an accordingly substantial commission to keep you returning for more business with them. At the end of the year, you should make sure to send out a thank you to all of your customers for working with you over the past year. You can also tell them that you would like to see them next year and give them a preview of what to expect. People always like it when you try to connect with them. Hopefully, with the information you just learned, you can start thinking of strategies you want to use for success. When it comes to affiliate marketing, remember that the more you know, the more potential for success you have. So try your best to expand your knowledge, and apply it as much as you can. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.